This is all we would need to make our Cholent, Hamin. To begin, we're going to put half a cup of oil in our crock pot. Add your garlic and onion. We're going to put our soaked garbanzo beans and beans, our meats, and I also have pitted dates. Put about 4 of them. Here I have chicken and meat. We put our peeled potatoes. We keep our sweet potato and KISHKE last because they get ready very quickly. You only need to put it about 4 hours before you serve. We're going to wash our eggs very well because we are going to put the eggs in their shell. Also, we like corn. In our spice bowl, we're going to put a tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of paprika. We're going to put pepper and salt, and we are going to put Moroccan spice or sweet chili. Add some boiling water to your spices and give it a good stir before putting it in your pot. Now we're going to make the cookie bag. And I recommend you do this in your pot because it has happened that the cookie bag split open. You're going to put your rice in your cookie bag and you're going to put double the amount of water. 1, 2. And then you put your spices in here and you could put a little bit of turmeric, just a little bit of what you put before, black pepper and salt. Put a little bit of baharat, a little bit of cinnamon and cumin in it, and you could spice it up more if you'd like with some onion flakes, granulated garlic, and then you just mush it all together. Make a knot. I don't use a tie. There's a metal in it. This inside your Cholent. You want to cover till the top. If you're having this for dinner in the morning, the same morning, you want to cook it on high for about 8-9 hours. If you're preparing it the night before, then you would do 1 hour high and the rest low. We're going to put our KISHKE and our sweet potatoes a few hours before serving because they get ready very, very fast. And I have a recipe for KISHKE in my YouTube We Cook Together channel. Thank you for joining me.